So we're in the offices of the lovely Miss Smith. I have to say Miss Smith, you know, because she's a teacher. You know what teachers are. She's not wearing her glasses. I don't know why she's not wearing her glasses.
I took my glasses off. I've been wearing it
I knew she wear glasses. Every teacher wear glasses. Well, at least in our imaginations. So we're with our first time customer. As a matter of fact, she's not even a customer yet, which makes it a plus for us to meet her today. Because one of our regular customers sent a package to her. Because she's special. She said, and she just made me know that she's a shopaholic. So she's going to come on board. She wants to be a part of the good life. She don't like going to places to pick up packages. And so she's going to come over.
I will, so I can shop and relax.
You can shop and relax and get all the benefits.
Alright, let's see.
Why did we say you have one dimple?
I don't know, I don't have any.
And she don't have any. And she don't have any. I'm a little bit disappointed because teachers normally do. Oh, when she smells, she have it. I see it when she smells, she have it. Yes. So, and the package her as fast as possible because that is how we do it on the delivery trail. Quick and fast, most efficient.
Quick and easy. See you next time.
She said quick and easy. So I guess I'll see you in short order.
Thank you.
So I'll give you all the directions on how to set up an account with us and you can come.
I can find you guys on Instagram, right?
Yes, yes. As a matter of fact, I'm gonna show you us on Instagram. This is gonna be an Instagram, so you're gonna be a star.
Right.
She said right. Okay, so this is how we're doing it on the delivery trail. I'm gonna move off to the other side of the business. Thanks much for watching, guys. See you in a bit.